Designed to deliver a top-notch experience in a smaller, more portable size, the iPad Mini 7 offers a compelling mix of sleek design and cutting-edge features. In this video, we'll break down 5 key reasons why waiting might be the smartest choice, even if you're an avid Apple fan or someone who loves the portability and performance of the iPad Mini lineup. The iPad Mini 7 is crafted with the same premium aluminum unibody construction that Apple's known for, maintaining the high build quality and durability of its predecessors. Their fresh design, coupled with enhanced performance, makes it a strong contender in the small tablet market. One of the key design features is the magnetic on the side, which securely attaches and charges the Apple Pencil. This small, yet significant change improves the overall user experience, especially for creatives and students who rely on the Apple Pencil for sketching or taking notes. However, a notable absence in the design is the lack of a foldable screen, a feature becoming increasingly popular in premium tablets. While the lack of a foldable screen could be seen as a drawback by some, the iPad Mini 7's fixed display offers a more stable structure, which some users may prefer for its reliability. The iPad Mini 7 comes equipped with a stunning 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, offering vibrant colors, impressive brightness, and sharp contrast. With a resolution of 2266 by 488 pixels, the tablet ensures that every detail is crisp and clear, making it perfect for consuming media or working on creative projects. The decision to stick with a Liquid Retina display could be influenced by factors like cost, power consumption, and the risk of burn-in associated with OLED technology. Powering the iPad Mini 7 is either the A16 Bionic chip or a rumored upgraded processor, ensuring that this compact device can handle everything from everyday tasks to more demanding applications. In terms of storage, the base model now starts at 128 gigabytes, which is double the storage offered by the iPad Mini 6's 64 gigabyte entry-level model. This upgrade makes the device a better choice for users who store a lot of apps, media files, and documents. Battery life is a crucial factor for portable devices like the iPad Mini. The iPad Mini 7 is expected to offer similar battery life to its predecessor, with up to 10 hours of usage on a single charge. The iPad Mini 7 is expected to be priced around $499, which is competitive for a device of its caliber. Additionally, with the potential for the release of new software features and improvements in future iterations, it might be worth holding off to see what else Apple has up its sleeve. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.